Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, the 23rd, and just a quick video today regarding period 4 and your review activities for period 4. As you see on the screen here, this is an overview document. This is taken from the AMSCO book, which I think is a really good test prep book, so to speak. You have a bunch of those copies in your in your review folder in Schoology, so we don't really need that. But this is wrapped up into two nice little pages to give you an overview of the period. And the big one, of course, is the review sheet. Period 4 deals with really key the market revolution. The College Board loves talking about the market revolution, and obviously what we focused on a great deal in class, if you recall, was the Second Great Awakening and the reform movements that fostered it. Manifest Destiny and stuff comes in the next unit. So this is, for the most part, cultural economic to some extent. So this should be a pretty standard period. There's not a lot of, it's pretty straightforward. We have the War of 1812, Monroe Doctrine, that kind of stuff. So, again, if hopefully you got to start on the period 3. If you're done with that, or if you're close to getting done with this, again, this is coming out today. Next week we'll do 5, 6, and 7 as well. But I want to get you a head start on this. Lastly, just a reminder, tomorrow our Zoom meeting is going to be at 10:45. Please be prepared to have your CAP documents there. That's been shared with you. That's in the Schoology review folder. And be prepared, hopefully, to break down those documents during our meeting or during that meeting time, and then share it with me via Turnitin. We might do 1 or 2 questions just to keep rolling with that. But other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. If there's questions, you know how to get a hold of me. And have a good day.